think this is the right course. To be honest, this is credible course. High flow can create high pressure inside the stipple.
Yeah, but what else? Is there any? We just want to see whether they have considered the blockage.
Is there any other
Fair.
process?
Blockage.
Because also we have a blocked outlet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Blocked outlet can also create more pressure.
Can you go down in that ASOP worksheet?
What the root causes for more pressure?
This one, malfunction pull up one.
Okay, this is close. Okay, go up. Go, yeah. Malfunction close of PCB. Okay, can you go more? There should be something about yeah, vein pack plugging.
Yeah. Stripper is there. So these two regions are there, but credible region is this one. Credible we can say. Right?
No, there are so many credible. This one, the
Blocked out.
black outlet and the vein pack.
And the vein pack or the mistal blockage.
Yeah, both. So FCB 70902. FCB 0709 test. What is tag number? FCB
02. Yeah, 070902.
02. Malfunction all open and potential blockage
Potential blockage of
The mistal.
of dimension.
This
This is the mistal.
it's mentioned vein pack. It's a vein pack, right?
Vein pack or
Yeah,
mistal?
vent pack.
The presentation of the belt is the mistal.
But here they are saying vent pack.
Yeah, vein pack actually.
Let us vent pack only.
Yeah, let's put vein pack. It's vein pack mentioned in the HAZO.
Not actually, John.
Potential.
Said the mistal.
This is LOPC case, right? Potential high pressure in this type of LOPC. Leading to LOPC, right? So even what this is leading to LOPC, correct?
Yeah.
And even because you have
Yeah.
and trip, right? You have PSAH.
Yeah, PSHH is there already. I think we already go to the top. I think PSHH, yeah, and here. And also
Yeah.
entry. Yeah.
So prevent tripping.
Yeah.